Hello again, this time Cannondale factory racing carbon. Let's start from the front. You have yellow grips which are matching the frame. You can see empty two brakes. Lefty, of course. This is a used bike, like you can see, used. Pretty wide handlebar, I think it's 700. SRAM 11 speed shifter, pretty nice. You can see lefty. There's a red band here on the lefty. You're locking lefty like this. Wait. And release it like this. Locking. You have to push it and release it with the middle thing. And the red band is here. It's pretty tight. And my fingers are slippery. Anyway, let's get off the bike. It's the lefty. Simple discs. No tubeless ZTR wheels. It's very nice. Cannondale tire. That's a pretty cheap tire, but cheap but pretty good. It's not bad tire. You can see it's fast tire. Let's see the frame. Factory racing. Come on, little dirty. What's under the frame? Not much, nothing. Cannondale, that's the small size, S size. What do we have here? 9 axle on the back. Same wheel and same tire. Saddle is matching the frame, like green and green. Okay. Let's see another side. Other side. Looking nice. Anyway, that's the SRAM shifter, which is very nice. Lefty, like you can see. Yep. Let's see the crank. It's a plastic Elite bottle bracket. SRAM 32. Ballistic carbon. Okay. SRAM 11 speed radial area, and the cassette is huge, 11 speed. The biggest one is, it's looking like 38, 36, 36, yes, there it is, 36, and it's huge, humongous. Let's hear it. Not bad, not bad at all. Let's put it on a scale. Let's see how, come on focus, how heavy this one is. And the scale says almost 11 kilograms, 10 kilograms, 900. Let's say it's 11 kilograms. It's not bad, not bad at all. You see how narrow is this frame. Frame like this will give you huge control over this bicycle. You can very easily ride on the back wheel, even on the front wheel. Very easy. It's a very controllable bike. What I don't necessarily like here is this huge cassette 46. 46 is too big. I think 42 will be enough. Other than that, it's a great bicycle. Okay, I think that's it. Gotta go. Thanks for watching and goodbye.